Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monica and today we filmed a retro glam look. This look is inspired by makeup in the 60s, the retro vintage style in general. I tried to pair some items with it to kind of get the vibe. I've honestly just been loving this eye look recently. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers and influencers on Instagram recreating it, and I just thought I'd give it my own shot. If you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then keep watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more content on my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first step is going in with a moisturizer, and today I'm using the Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Next, I'm going in with the Smith's Strawberry Lip Balm. Then I'm going in with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This makes your skin really glowy. Then I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the shade Nude, and I'm applying this on my eyelid. I'm just doing a light dab and blending it out with my foundation brush. Then I'm going into the Morphe 25A palette, and this is a really nice neutrals palette comprised of these warm and cool toned neutrals, and I'm going to be using these two colors mostly, but using this color right here on my lid with a bigger brush. I'm just taking this neutral color and applying it all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with this pointed fluffy brush from Miniso, and I'm going to mix these two brown colors together. Both of them are quite dark, and I'm going to go right into my crease and do a really intense line. You want it to blend out a little, but not too much, because lines back then were super dramatic. Alright, now that that's done, I'm gonna put some of this concealer into a little pan. With a flat brush, I'm gonna put this on top of my lid to cut an even line. Alright, now I'm gonna go into one of my favorite highlights, and it's the Kylie Cosmetics highlight in Santorini. And I'm gonna use this to set my cut crease using a thin highlighting brush. And then I'm just gonna go into the brow bone as well. The next step is lining my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. Alright, now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with my nude colored liner, and I'm gonna color my waterline in. And then after I've done that, I'm gonna pull it under my liner and just brighten this area here. Once that's done, I'm going to go back in with my dark eyeshadow using a thinner brush, and I'm just going to line underneath my eyes. And I'm going to take my mascara, and I use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I'm just going to define my lower lashes. And I'm going to do my top lashes as well. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and I'm just going to define my brows. Now I've added on some lashes, and these are the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha. Now that we're done with our eyes, we can move on to our face. The first thing I'm doing going into the face is using my foundation, and this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This is in the shade 155 R370, and I'm gonna blend it out with my foundation brush. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Nude. And I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes. And I'm going to try to create a T shape. And then I'm just going to pull it out because I want to lift up my cheeks. Alright, and then I'm going to do my T-zone as well. I have a pretty small chin, so I try to accentuate it a little bit. And my upper lip. Just the sides here. And the next step is going in with a setting powder, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. This is the translucent shade in the series, and it's perfect for most skin tones. I'm just taking a really dense brush like this, and I'm using it to pat the product in. The next product that I'm going in with is the Huda Beauty Tan Tour Cream, and this is in the shade Fair, the lightest shade in the range. So for this one, I'm using a dense contouring brush, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. And it's such a creamy formula that you really can blend it out, but I like the effect of patting because it just keeps everything in place and doesn't move around product. The next product that I'm going in with is the Dior Backstage Contour Kit, and I'm going to use the second darkest shade. This is the shade Light Contour, and I'm going to take this brush from NYX. This is number 6. Then I'm going to go into the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation, and this is in the shade Rich, and I'm going to use this to smooth out the colors, so between the contour and the lighter color. And for this, I'm going to go in with the same brush I used for the translucent powder, and I'm just going to take a lot of product and go in here. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the same highlight that I used earlier. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Highlight in Santorini, and I'm going to take a larger brush. This is from Real Techniques, it's a fan brush, and I'm going to actually dip it into the lid and just brush on product. This is such an intense highlight and it's so stunning. I like to bring it over here as well. And then with the same brush I was using earlier, I'm going to take the same highlight and highlight my nose. Alright, now I'm going in with blush, and I'm using the Milani blush, and this is in the shade 2, Rose Doro. I'm taking a large brush, just blending that in. For my lips, I'm taking the NYX liner in the shade Cold Brew. And then over that, I'm taking the Morphe Liquid Lip in the shade Virgin, and I'm just going to apply that on top. I'm just going to touch up because I really want the difference in color of the liner to show. And then I'm taking a Kylie Cosmetics gloss, and this is in the shade Poppin', and I'm just going to apply it in the center to add a little bit more of a pout. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this 60s inspired funky look, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see future content on my channel. Hope you have an amazing week and you stay safe and indoors and find fun things to do to make the time go by faster. You can also follow my Instagram at ABDOLLAHIAN to see other content that I post. If you try any of these looks, then DM me a photo and I'd be happy to chat and see all the amazing looks that you put together. Alright, see you soon guys. Have a great week. Bye.